Do you know how does Instagram suggest us reels or videos? How does an airline decide the prices of the flights? And कोई भी बैंक customers के लिए credit limit कैसे set करता है? All this is the magic of data science. My name is Anmol Tomar. I have more than 10 years of experience in the field of data science and analytics. I'm here to tell you something. The world is evolving at a very rapid pace, with data taking the center stage. And if you are considering a career in data science, then this is the right time for you. But how can you become a data science professional? Well, there are two ways. एक तो आप self study करके कर सकते हैं, where you go through online resources, all the different tutorials, videos, etc., which might be a bit of a time-taking process. Second alternative is you enroll into a program, you get a mentor. And this is where we come into the picture. I, along with my colleagues, we have condensed all our years of experience and learnings into one program. Data science is not only about coding or mathematics. It's much more than that. Even a chat GPT can write code. It can even do mathematics. But what makes someone top data science professional is their problem solving skill set. But we have only 30 seats for 30 dedicated students. Now the question is, how can you apply? You have to apply a free basic eligibility test based on which you can get admission to this program. Take the test now before it is too late.